Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you can earn Clickbank commissions on a low budget, or even if you're starting out for free. And a bit later on the video, I'll show you the offers that you can use. You can join for free. You can use these offers to develop the skills. They'll teach you how to promote um, these offers and how to earn from them, and they're all free to join, and also give you 5 free traffic sources that you can use to start promoting these offers and earn some ClickBank commissions. And if you want to scale up a bit later on, you can reinvest some of your profits into paid traffic, and you can scale this up into a larger income. So I'm live here in my ClickBank account, and another commission just came in here, excuse me, yesterday, 3rd of April, for $21.24. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to go into reporting, and I'm going to go into transactions, and I'll show you how you work all this out. So you can go into select a date range. I'll take you right from the start of my account. I'm going to go back to October the 1st, and then select here, and today's the 4th of April, and then you click on go, and this gives you a breakdown of your transactions. So this is all using free products. I haven't paid any traffic for any paid traffic with these, and you'll see there total of $237. And this column here, it says rebill. So majority of these are recurring products where you earn a monthly recurring commission with Clickbank. So there's products where you can earn one-off commissions, but I do recommend you promote the ones where you can earn a monthly recurring commission. So all you do is you go to clickbank.com and you set up a free account. And if you see here, on May the 2nd, so next month, they're doing a Clickbank Summit, and you can claim a free seat. So they're doing a complete training on how to become successful if you want to become a Clickbank affiliate. So all you do here is, if you remember your login here, if you're not a member, start here and set up your own account, totally free. Then you come into affiliate marketplace, and depending on what niche you're in, I'm in the make money online niche, so you go into e-business and e-marketing here, or you just put in the search window free, and it'll bring you up some free products that you can join yourself to develop the skills, and then you can also promote them with free or paid traffic. So I'm going to share with you 3 different products now. These are great products. You can join them for free, but you can also, once you've joined them, these are 7-figure earner trainings. So this is what I did when I first started my affiliate marketing journey. I got in front of 7-figure earners. I followed their trainings, and I just took action on what they taught me. So this one is 100 quick and simple tutorials. I'll put the links in the description to these, so you can join them yourself, and then you can go in and develop some skills and learn how to make money online. 100 quick and simple tutorials to sell your first digital product. So this is from a 7-figure earner. You'll see here it says this is 100% free membership, no credit card required. So it's a great training there within that one. Then you can also promote it, and then if anybody upgrades, you learn some commissions. Each of these have got upgrade options in. You don't have to upgrade yourself. You can if you want to get some more benefits, but they are all forever free. This one's a free autoresponder. It's called Free Sponder, and if you want to start building a list without paying monthly commissions with an autoresponder, I came across this one because some of my students were looking um, how to make money online with an autoresponder. So this one is steps, just four or five simple steps that they teach you in here. Free sponder, that's a great product. They give you everything you need there. They give you all the lead magnets. They give you all the products here. So you'll be building a list. Um, Here it is what I was looking for, the 3-step blueprint. So they teach you, they give you ebooks to give away, adds person to your list, and it sells products to them. So great training in here, 7-figure earner training by Stephen Hall. Again, free for you to join. I'll put a link in the description. You can learn from Stephen. This one is free monthly website. So you get a free website every single month, completely 100% done for you. And all you've got to do is promote it. You can promote it using free traffic. These two gentlemen here, John Foyle and Dave Nicholson, they've been online for 20 years. They're probably 8-figure earners now. And when you come down here, you see what you're going to get as a free member. Everything's there. So I'll put links in the description to all of these. And then you can stay forever free. So you can stay forever free. But if you promote this and any of your referrals upgrade to the Premier option, you're going to earn monthly recurring commissions. So you're learning how to become an affiliate marketer. You're learning from 7-figure earners. You can develop some great skills from within the trainings, within these products, and then you can promote these products and you can help other people develop their skills and give value. I'll put a link. I'll pin to the top comment under this video. I'm going to pin the top comment a link to my blog. And these are the 5 best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. So if you go to this blog post here, these are 5 free traffic sources that I personally use and I recommend that you can use as well. All free to join, all free traffic. And then you can use these free traffic sources to promote those products that I've just shown you there. And then once you get some commissions coming in, so once you start to earn some commissions, like in here, then they'll teach you how to reinvest some of these commissions and you can scale up. If you wish to do so, if you want to build a really good Clickbank income, then they'll teach you how to scale up and with some paid traffic, and you can build that income to scale it up to a bigger income if you wish to do so. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share this video with anybody who you think would get value or would be interested in making money online. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Clickbank, put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll even leave my email address in the description there for you if you want to contact me direct through email. So all the links will be in the description for all of these products, and then you can just join for free, go through the trainings, develop some skills, and start to promote these products with free traffic, and then start to earn some commissions, and then reinvest some of those profits into paid traffic, and then you can scale it up to whatever level you want to do with your Clickbank account. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.